A secured credit card operates similarly to a traditional credit card, but with a key distinction. It requires a security deposit as collateral. When you apply for a secured credit card, you will typically need to deposit a certain amount of money with the issuing bank, which serves as your credit limit. This deposit minimizes risk for the card issuer, making it easier for individuals with limited or damaged credit histories to qualify. Once approved, you can use the secured credit card just like any other credit card. You make purchases up to your credit limit and repay the borrowed funds, plus any accrued interest, by the due date each month. Your payment history is reported to the credit bureaus, helping you build or rebuild your credit score over time. If you consistently manage your secured credit card responsibly by making on-time payments and keeping your credit utilization low, you may qualify for an unsecured credit card in the future. At that point, you may receive your security deposit back, or the issuer may upgrade your secured card to an unsecured one. However, if you default on payments, the issuer can use your security deposit to cover the outstanding balance, mitigating their losses.